Ready for a roller coaster of road moments? From daring stunts to miraculous escapes, the highways come alive with their own unique magic. Every twist and turn hides a story waiting to be told. Stay tuned, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Buckle up, let's hit the road. A sudden tire blowout throws a car into chaos, compromising stability and control. These alarming incidents highlight the importance of regular maintenance and careful driving. Always keep safety at the forefront. A heart-stopping spectacle unfolded on a bustling highway as a car, seemingly imbued with a rebellious spirit, defied expectations. It launched itself onto a concrete divider with an ear-splitting roar, hurtling toward two unsuspecting lampposts. This chaotic display serves as a stark reminder: speed demands respect, not recklessness. A van theft escalated into a high-speed chase, ending in a crash on the highway. The suspects fled, but were quickly apprehended. Let this be a simple life lesson: don't steal, and you'll never have to run. A truck lost control on icy roads in Iowa, resulting in a fiery explosion. Winter storms demand extra caution, reminding us that preparation and prudence are life-saving measures during extreme weather. Ever wondered how to quickly remove a bumper? Well, this container truck showed us just how, as it blocked a semi-truck and ran a red light, ignoring those white lane markers meant for safety. What do you think, reckless or resourceful? Let us know in the comments. A car lost control on an icy road in Connecticut while taking a curve too fast. As winter conditions worsen, remember to slow down and drive cautiously. Every second counts. Captured on dramatic amateur footage, a car on a coastal road in northern Taiwan was hit by a landslide and narrowly escaped being crushed by a giant boulder. A miraculous escape that could have been catastrophic. A gigantic industrial spool brought traffic to a standstill on Highway 610 as it rolled through lanes like a runaway barrel. Vehicles swerved and dodged in a desperate bid to avoid catastrophe. The 18-wheeler driver, realizing his load was compromised, pulled over, but not before chaos ensued. In the lively streets of San Jose, a compact car collided with a massive bus, sparking a heated debate. The car's driver, pointing to the green light, insists it couldn't possibly be his fault. But what do you think? Could there be more to this story? Share your thoughts below. A viral clip from Toronto captures a harrowing moment as a Mini Cooper becomes an unintentional hitchhiker, dragged half a kilometer by a dump truck on the Gardner Expressway. The driver, a nurse on her way to a vaccination clinic, recalls the sheer terror of the ordeal. Thankfully, she emerged unscathed, but the shock lingers. Near Colombia, Switzerland, a driver had a brush with disaster when their car rolled away into a busy highway. Captured on police footage, the driver frantically chased their vehicle, narrowly avoiding catastrophe. Lesson learned: never lose focus, even for a moment. A fatigued driver thought the highway's cable barrier might double as a makeshift pillow, only to test its durability in the worst way possible. Their ill-advised nap nearly cost lives. Remember, fatigue and driving are a dangerous mix. Rest first, drive later. A small plane tragically crashed onto a busy highway in Atlanta in 2005, Just minutes after takeoff, an angry comment pointed out the risks of single-engine planes. They have no backup engines and endanger people on the ground. What's your opinion on this ongoing debate? Storms transformed reliable roads into treacherous waterways, trapping drivers in their vehicles. Fogged windows and rising waters painted a grim picture of nature's dominance over human infrastructure, a humbling reminder of our vulnerability. In Charlotte, North Carolina, a truck hauling ground beef erupted in flames after colliding with a concrete barrier. Smoke billowed as fire crews battled the blaze. Miraculously, the driver escaped with injuries but avoided tragedy. A stark reminder that vigilance saves lives. A quiet street in San Pedro turned chaotic as a speeding car became an unstoppable projectile, smashing into a pole in a cascade of sparks and shrapnel. The scene, both destructive and mesmerizing, reminds us that caution could prevent such calamities. Potholes, those unassuming road hazards, can wreak havoc. From blown tires to suspension damage, they transform minor inconveniences into major dangers. Always stay vigilant, especially at night or in poor weather. In another video, a semi-truck takes a stand against a driver attempting to skip the line. Was the truck driver right to block them, or should they have let it slide? Share your thoughts below. In Langy County, a surveillance camera captured a jaw-dropping crash. A car slammed into a light pole, overturning in a spectacle of twisted metal and shattered glass. The driver admitted to sleep deprivation, compounded by an ill-timed phone call. Let this be a lesson: alertness isn't optional when behind the wheel. Outro. Thank you for watching these incredible moments on the road. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite parts in the comments. See you in the next video, and stay safe out there.